Nasturtium, Tropaeolum majus, is a flowering plant native to South and Central America, but is now widely grown as an ornamental plant in gardens around the world. It is an annual plant that grows in a trailing or climbing habit, producing large, round leaves, and bright, showy flowers in shades of red, orange, yellow, and cream. The nasturtium flowers are unique because they have a distinctive spur at the base of the bloom. The spur is considered an adaptation that helps attract pollinators, as it contains nectar accessible only to certain insects with long noses. Nasturtium leaves and flowers are edible, with a slightly peppery flavor that can be used in salads and other culinary dishes. Nasturtium is a relatively hardy plant that can grow in a wide range of USDA hardiness zones, although it is typically grown as an annual plant. It prefers full sun to partial shade and well-draining soil. It can tolerate some drought and heat, but it may not do well in excessive rain or humidity. Nasturtium can be grown in USDA hardiness zones 9 to 11 as a perennial, and as an annual in zones 2 to 8.